Day in the life of a broke student, mfana here maintenance, boy, we're still keeping it on, boy. Today we're coiling it on the highest, boy. I think I need to keep my hair like this, boy, using this sponge. Well, by the look of things, I thought I was doing something proper. I won't lie to you, boy. But if I fumble, guys, you tell me in the comment section. Akushuthi manje yafuna ukuthi ubamba amadzweri nyana before uphuma mfethu ungazunukusela abantu ngomlomo. But asikho lapho bafethu indaba ilapha bafethu umjida weBolt uthe makafika lapha ya wangithatha wangibeka mfethu ngathi yazi nongishiye lapha emamall. I had to grab some snacks before mfethu we can hit the road ke. Namhlanje mfethu silibangise kuphi ke namhlanje silibangise mfethu emadladleni mfethu. Angiyakutshela wona mfethu home sweet home mfethu on our way mfethu. I was just thinking ukuthi hey, when am I gonna buy a car boy? But anyways mfana the taxi ride mfana was too good boy. I was even sleeping in the car boy. When I woke up I was like hey, we are inside Joe's. I was like before my final destination I decided ukuthi ngiyovakashela ikhehla lami lapha yangishaya into zama order nama collection mfethu kushuthi manje. But to be honest mfethu mina bengiyiphuzela le drink phela mfethu leya order leya mfethu ngiyithengele isithandwa sami mfethu engisithanda kakhulu mfethu but ke ngithe mangilenda mfethu ekhasi mfethu ngihlangana namajida mfethu hayi ekuseyazi ama warm welcome.
Yebo nona njani bukela uluntu bukela noluntu kumnandi la ungafi danki ngithatha 2 ngiyamphangela unini ngifunda nawe
awuyazi luntu nation into yabantu mfethu uthando lunye bafowethu shout out my gang.
La yazi bengikuthengela iKFC lapho.
Ngiyabonga mfana
wami. Boy, if my grandma is happy, I'm also happy, boy. Without wasting any time, I went straight to the kitchen, boy. Well, to be quite honest, this is the only reason why I came back home to chow proper meal. After it was a young obsession with my grandma, boy, why she was still cooking. Boy, I'm giving her company, boy. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.